welcome to Explore and Learn with Daisy. Today we are gonna write 4 fidgets: Tangle, Infinity Cube, and a mini puppet. Oh, and a super dimple. So first we're gonna rate this mini puppet. It's good, and you see it's pretty cute, and like the texture is not that good on this side. But I still like the colors. But the texture is really good on this side. Crunchy. Next, the Simple Dimple. That side is really crunchy, and I like how it's purple and green. That's like one of my favorite colors. And then, yes, so this one's really good. Also. Oh, and this Tangle, it's easy to tangle, like squish it. That's why it's called a Tangle. And it's my favorite colors, and I like how, they're like some parts are clear. Last, the Infinity Cube. It's good. And yeah, I like the color. Now it's time to rate them. This, maybe a 7.5 out of 10. This, 7.5 out of 10 again. Tangle, 7 out of 10. Infinity Cube, 9.5 out of 10. Anyways, thank you for watching my channel. Then remember to smash that subscribe button and give me 1,000,000 likes. Love you. I hope you love my channel. Bye.